How can long and heavy cargo like sheet metal storage racks be safely unloaded from a container? This is one of the most pressing concerns among customers. Option 1. Use 2 forklifts. This is the most efficient method. Step 1. Use 1 forklift with a sling to pull the cargo out at least halfway. Safety tip: the forklift's load capacity must be at least half the cargo's weight. Step 2. Use the second forklift to fully lift the cargo from the center. Safety tip: the main forklift's rated load must be greater than the total cargo weight. Option 2. What if you only have 1 forklift? This is also possible, but you'll need a sufficiently strong support. Step 1. Again, pull the cargo out halfway. Step 2. Support the cargo at the extended end with a sturdy support. Step 3. Reposition the forklift. Drive to the center balance point of the cargo, fully lift the cargo, and then safely unload it. 2 forklifts are more efficient, but a single forklift with a support can also accomplish the task. Regardless of the method, safe unloading is paramount.